Hello, English students. This is your instructor, and I want us to talk about the descriptive narrative essay. This is the first essay you're writing for English 101, and so after I've gone over this topic sheet, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'll be happy to help. This type of essay provides the reader with a picture in words. It creates a verbal picture of a person, place, or thing. The writer creates a subjective impression by observing and recording specific details that appeal to the reader's sense of sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. So notice it says specific details. Instead of telling me that the beach is pretty, describe the waves and the seagulls cawing above you and the peaceful nature of the beach. You want to describe it in specific detail so that the reader can imagine what you're seeing. The descriptive essay requires colorful details to support the writing. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. The rough draft is going to be due Monday, September 13th by midnight in discussion board. And the reason why it's turned into discussion board is because you're going to do peer review on all of the rough drafts. So that means that you and your classmates are going to look over each other's essays and give feedback on how to revise it and make it better. So notice when you choose a topic, make sure you choose something you feel comfortable sharing with the class, because your classmates will be able to read this paper. The final draft is going to be due Monday, September 27th by midnight, and you'll turn it into the content area of Blackboard. And the final draft is the one that I'm going to review and grade. I won't grade the rough drafts because I do realize they are still in rough draft form. So this paper is worth 15% of your final grade, so not as much as some of your other essays, but it's a good one to start off with. The length of the essay should be somewhere between 500 and 750 words in length, but I won't count off if you go over. So say if you turn an 800-word essay, I'm certainly not going to deduct points. But I just wanted to let you know because there are some folks that do deduct points for going over the word length. The formatting is 12-point Times New Roman font, double spaced with MLA heading and style. There's a really good example of MLA heading on page 161 of the blue Seagull textbook. Our textbook is the Seagull textbook. The older editions, the blue edition. If you use the green edition, which is the one that's the new edition, is page 191. So that way you guys have both page numbers just in case. The essays have topic ideas here listed, but if none of these topics or anything you would want to write about, just let me know and I'll try to work with you on another topic option. A really popular one is a holiday or celebration with your family. This could be Halloween or Christmas or July 4th or another cultural holiday that you do with your family. So really you can describe what you guys do on your holiday tradition. An unforgettable moment in your life. I've had some students that have had children that describe having a child. I've had other students that describe a car accident or some sort of unforgettable negative moment. So that one you can kind of decide whether you want it to be a positive or negative experience that you're describing. A fun vacation that you have taken in real life or in your dreams. So you can describe the vacation you actually went on. So I've gotten some that are about cruises or mission trips or vacations with their family, and then others have been the dream vacation they want to take one day. A regrettable action. This is normally a story about a time you learned a lesson through your actions. So just depending on your experiences, you can choose a topic for that. A fun night at the movies. This could be a movie night with your friends or a date. You can describe the popcorn and the movie itself and the theater. It's just a really fun, kind of easier topic that's not quite as profound necessarily. A picture that is close to your heart. I've gotten some really good ones about people who maybe have passed away, like grandparents or a friend, and you still have a picture of them and you can describe the picture itself and describe why that picture is so significant for you. The final draft late submission rule holds for all of the essays, and essentially it's 10 points off every day late. So just make sure you turn in your final draft on time, that's September 27th, and you won't have to worry about any deductions for turning in a late paper. All your final drafts are going to be graded using the English 101 grading rubric, and that's always on the Getting Started page of Blackboard. You have access to the grading rubric at any time. It's also going to be scanned with anti-plagiarism software, so just make sure that you write this essay yourself and don't get an essay online or use a friend's essay or reuse an essay you've used in the past, because it's going to scan it and it'll let me know if it's not an original work. So just to let you know. I've also got the brainstorming outlining space at the bottom. You're not required to do brainstorming or outlining, but some students find that area helpful just to write out notes and kind of brainstorm their idea for their topic. So, and like I said at the beginning of the video, please feel free to send me any questions you have. If you're not sure about a topic or need help organizing your ideas, I'm here to help you through this. So hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.